Easy way to boot from USB on HP laptop to install Windows 10 or 11. Insert the bootable USB flash drive into a USB port. Turn on the PC, immediately press the Escape key ESC repeatedly to open the startup menu. Press F9 to open the Boot Device Options menu. Select the USB flash drive UEFI, and then press Enter. Wait until a welcome screen will be displayed to install Windows 10. Note, if your PC doesn't boot from a USB, press F10 to open the BIOS setup when restart. Then select Exit, and choose Load Setup Settings to reset BIOS settings to their factory default settings. Select Preferred Language and click Next. Click Install Now. Accept the license terms. Choose the installation type.